Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back once again to Fat Cat Collections. Today, folks, I want to share with you kind of an innovative product, one that I honestly haven't seen before. I'm sure other companies make it, but I have to tell you, this is one of these products that I find just really awesome about having a YouTube channel, right? I mean, yeah, the watches are cool, don't get me wrong. We know I'm a watch addict. But, you know, a lot of times there are products that I'm not even looking for. And a company will reach out, turn me on to them, and I'll be like, wow, that is pretty innovative. Then, of course, I start to have that feeling of doubt. Like, how good is this going to be, right? What's the longevity going to be like? And then I actually get these products sent to me, I test them out, and I'm just blown away at how I've never had something like this before. How I haven't found this on my own and decided to purchase it, just because it's so useful. So today, the product we're going to be talking about today is sort of a smart home tech item, sort of electronics item, right? It's a company called Airbition, and they sent me one of their clip-on rechargeable fans. Now you might be saying to yourself, gosh, you know, how long could that possibly last? I'm telling you guys, battery technology and motor technology is just light years ahead of what it was 20 years ago, right? A lot of things that are battery powered back in the day that required, mechanical parts and things to actually move didn't really last that long. I'm blown away by this fan. And I'll just give you guys a little bit about me. When I do YouTube videos or I'm working on my computer, as you guys see, I'm always in my office, I'm at my desk, and I had this little fan that was sent to me by a different company that was a USB clip-on fan. And I'll tell you, you know, when there's always different products that get sent, right? And depending on the agreement, it might be something that I charge a review fee for. If it's something like a watch, I generally don't. It just depends on the company. With a little fan like that, I'm like, you know, this is a little cheap $5 fan. What am I going to do with this? And I'll help the company out, I'll do the review. Then I get it, and I'm like, how did I ever work in here without having a fan, you know? If you're like me, you know, I sleep with a fan. I need that noise in the background. I need that air movement. And for me, I always like to have a fan on me, right? I always like to have air moving. It's just, I don't know, it's just me. This is great. So one thing I didn't like, let me get this box out of the way, right? It's a box. We know what it looks like. One thing I didn't like about the USB fan is I am kind of a neatnik, and I do like things in their place. I don't like clutter. I don't like wires. And the fan was just something really out of place. It always was sitting here. It's not the kind of thing I could take out every single day, although I guess you could. But for me, I just left it clipped here, and it really bothered me. So this is fantastic. So this is, again, their clip-on fan. I have it on right now while we're doing the video. It's on the low mode right now. Hopefully, I don't even think you could probably hear it. It's very quiet, and I'll tell you, the battery life is incredible. I am going to read you guys right off the Amazon listing on what they say the battery will last, how long it'll last, just give you guys the spiel they give you. But I'll tell you, the other day I left, and I was gone for about 12 hours. I got home, and this sucker was still running. I'm still on the original charge. I've had it on for about 3 hours today. It's incredible. And what I like about it, it's something I can very easily just kind of put aside, put down on the floor, tuck away in the closet. I can bring it down to the garage when it gets really hot. I'm working out down there. I can clip it anywhere. It's really an innovative product. I mean, it is fantastic. I really hope that this company wants to work together again. They did reach out the other day and said, hey, when's the video going to be done? I said, well, it did take you quite some time to send the fan. This did come from their factory. Good news to you guys is that if you are interested, this is available with Prime on Amazon. So I'll put a link in the description where you can pick this up. You'll get it in a couple days. I think it's free one-day shipping on this. So you won't have to wait as long as I did. So this is one of these things, again, that I didn't know I needed it until I have it. Now, it's definitely something I'm going to need more of and something that I'll always replace down the road should this fail for whatever reason, right? So let's talk a little bit about it. You have a 360-degree rotating fan, and you can actually rotate the vertical angle up and down as well, 360 degrees. So you can really, I mean, however you want to place this, you can place this and get this thing blowing on you. It has a really strong clip, extremely powerful. This sucker, once you clip this on something, it's not going to go anywhere. It's not like just a little fragile clip. This sucker, you clip it on, it is definitely going to stay on. It does have a couple round edges, and there is kind of like a anti-slip coating on here. It takes a bite. I'd almost say it's being a, you won't want to clip this on something fragile. Like don't clip this on your computer monitor. You'll probably damage it. It definitely takes a nice bite. Cool thing about this is that the company didn't just stop there. And this is what I love when companies really think like they're innovative. They really think about the products. Yeah, they could have just, it is a clip-on fan. They could have left it at that. They went ahead and added on the back a pop-out clip, So if you're going camping, let's say you hang this on your tent, depending on your tent, you can do so. And they've also added a wall mount right here, or a kind of a screw, I think it's like a screw clip. I don't know what you actually call these, but a little cutout so you could actually permanently wall mount this if you wanted to. Now the only thing is, yeah, you're going to want to put a screw in the wall, leave it protruding a little bit, and you could just hang this just like a picture, which is fantastic, because this might be something you want to add somewhere in your house where you're not going to be taking it down. You don't want to clip it. It's a great product. I'm not even joking. This thing is just absolutely awesome. As far as cosmetics, all black, you can't go wrong there. Little purple accents. Let me just turn it off here. Speaking of controls, we have your power button, and of course, really simple power button, and of course your fan speed. Let me just turn it off here, and you can see the blade. You have a, what is that, six blade fan, which I think is why it throws so much air and it's so quiet. You have a very, what I would consider kind of a steep angle on the blades. Like I said, very quiet. You can't even really hear it on, and it's moving a lot of air. What else? USB-C connection. Nice they got rid of the old, mic mini USB. These are great. Put it in either way. And let me just turn it back on here. And this is the low mode. Let me just crank it up. You have 4 different speeds. You do have a status light on the back. 2, 2, 3, and 4. And on the 4th setting, this really moves a lot of air. It's pretty incredible. Now, it did just turn off because I did have this running now for about 3 days. I've been using it 3 or 4 days. So on the high speed, it definitely turned off. But now when you go to turn it on, we're completely out of juice. So as far as the battery is concerned, you have a 10,000 milliamp battery. It is a 5-volt input, 2 amps, and it's a 10-watt power, I guess, consumption. So as far as the, let me just pop that aside, just an innovative product. This is something that I'm going to use on the boat when we go, when it's really hot out there in the summer. We might want to get a little bit of air movement, take it camping. If you have a job where you get really warm at your desk, really the sky's the limit on where you can bring this. It's a really innovative product, and it works really well. So as far as the battery life, they say here that the fan can run on 1 full charge, can work for 24 hours, which is in line with the amount of time I've been using it. Of course, if you have it in the higher speed, I think that'll be less. That's in the low speed. And really, I don't really see me needing to turn this on past the low speed. It throws just enough air where it's going to keep you cool and keep you comfortable without really having to blow you out of your chair, right? It is an 8-inch fan. Again, 4 speeds. You have the 360 degrees of rotation and USB-C charging. They don't give you the charging adapter, but did they give you the cord? I don't think they gave you the cord either. So, but we all have those laying around. I don't think it did. I don't think it was in the box. Would be nice to maybe include maybe a carrying case. That would be kind of nice, so you can kind of put this away. But really, it's not a deal breaker by any means. Now they do make this fan in a couple different options. If you want to get this in the 12-inch fold-away fan, which basically has a base, it allows you to extend it on kind of a telescoping rod, which is all built in. And it basically folds down into a very neat tuckable option. And I think that down the road, if we collaborate again, I think I want to request that one from them. It's a 12-inch fan. And so what happens is you basically have a base, which is the size of the fan. It looks like it's about the size of the fan in diameter and in thickness. And basically the fan just collapses right down into this nice little pancake kind of I don't know, storage, forget it, you guys know what I'm trying to say. So, all right, so you do have again, the clip fan. You do have a 8-inch version of that, which I think for my use, maybe the 8-inch would be better. I'm not really sure. 8-inch is easier to just kind of put away. 12 gets a little bit large, but hey, depending on your needs. Then, of course, you have the 8-inch tripod fan, which is basically the same fan. All these are the same fan, but it comes on like a tripod. For me, I think the tripod is going to be better, more suited for somebody who maybe has a situation where you really need the stability. I really think the clip fan or the 12-inch or 8-inch fold-away fan with that telescoping rod is going to be your best option. But definitely check it out. Link in the description. Let me know what you guys think if you did order this or are looking to order this. This is a great innovative product that I think anybody should have in their home. And this is one of those few products that you see on Amazon that gets 5-star rating, which they don't have tons of reviews, but still 5-star, that's pretty awesome. I mean, you don't see a lot of products get a 5-star. Usually 4, 4.5, but 5-star, it says a lot. So let me know if I help you guys in any way. Drop me a comment, drop me an email. I'm always here to help. I want to thank Airbition for their generosity in sending me this fan. This is definitely something that's going to get used and used daily. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day and take care.